Hello everyone, Cassandra Good reporting to you live from my vehicle. And this actual video is all about, can you afford to change your life? Can you afford to change your life? Well guys, I'm going to tell you right now, it's many of you all out here that email me, that text me, that reach out to me one way or another, or you submit comments, you Instagram me, wherever you find a social media platform that I'm connected to, you're asking me, Cassandra, what do you have? And most of you all will tell me that you don't have a lot of money, but you want to change your job. You no longer want to be at your job. You want to have something that will exchange out from your job, okay? That can take you away from that 9-to-5 grind. Well, guys, I'm going to tell you guys and gals, I'm going to tell you the only way that you can actually do that in the shortest amount of time is to be able to leverage yourself into a platform that will give you a high tier income. The possibilities of the different business models out here for high tier income are endless. And there are several reputable ones that have stood the test of time that you can actually be a part of. I am part of several, okay? But what I wanted to talk to you about is you can't sit back on your loins and say, I want this, I want to create a six-figure income, or I want to create whatever type of income that is going to take me out of the rat race. But do not want to separate yourself from some funding, okay? Now I'm going to tell you right now, I am in high tier. Why am I in high tier? Number one, I'm able to diversify a lot more with high tier, to spread myself, to create other multiple streams of income because of the high tier income that they produce. Okay? But the main reason is we only have a certain amount of time here on earth that you can strategize and secure yourself financially. And in order to do that strategically and to get it right without going into some kind of default or without going into some type of debt, you need that time in order to be able to do it and to budget yourself accordingly to spread your risk. Okay? So what I'm saying to you is this. There's nothing wrong with having dreams, but the idea is to make your dreams manifest. Make your dreams manifest. You can't do that holding on to the dream. You definitely have to make sure that you go beyond dreaming, keeping it here. You have to start implementing. You have to start taking massive action in order for you to make those dreams a reality. And so many of you all, I hear you week in, week out, month in, month out, year in, year out, talk about your dreams, but just hold them here. They won't come to fruition unless you step out and make a decision, a conscious decision to say, I want change and I want it now. I'm going to say this. For our teams, we've been able to not only help our teams to secure the pavement, to secure the path for them to be able to not only manifest their dreams or to bring them to fruition, but to be secure and comfortable in doing so. Now, you can do one or two things. You can hold on to those dreams. You can hold them with a tight fist, but I'll tell you, a closed hand will never be in the receiving position. A closed hand will never be in a receiving position. But when you Open your hand and say, I'm planting that seed. I'm planting something that will allow me to manifest, allow me to harvest what I'm planting today. That's when you really experience your breakthroughs. That's when you really position yourself to be in alignment with those ultimate breakthroughs. I just wanted to say that. Definitely subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you guys continue to look onward as I progress, as I do things, and as I share things with you all that I know will take you from a closed hand to an open hand that will allow you to start receiving because you planted the seed. Definitely click the link below also, guys, because I have wonderful, wonderful opportunities for you to be able to leverage yourself, and change the dynamics of your economical standpoint right now. Change all of that. It's just a matter of you opening your hand, planting that seed, nurturing it, leveraging it. I can show you how to do that. And then watching how that harvest comes in for you to enjoy. Okay? So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is Cassandra Good reporting live from my vehicle. It is a beautiful, beautiful Saturday. And I'm going to tell you, September is looking beautiful already. And I want so many of you all to close out the year in such a powerful way. A powerful way. And so many of you all who have come to me already have already started to see the difference, experience the difference, feel the difference in how you've been able to manifest by planting some seeds. Okay, so again, subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. If you're new, definitely check out some other videos, but definitely if you're new also, stick with me. I promise you, I will show you the best ways for you to be able to tap into your breakthroughs. Click the links below, check them out, step out, plant your seeds, and get ready for your harvest. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.